serving as if the Sangguniang Maya members, Honorable Roger Iconar and Honorable Jerry Plunkett, to our Municipal Social Welfare Development Officer, from Vanessa Grace Mateo, to our guests, early teachers, my beloved parents, classmates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is with utmost joy and pride that I welcome all of you to our first moving up ceremony. We are happy for this big milestone in our young life. At that early age, we went to school and met our second parents, our teachers. It is a great love from all of you fellows. We were blessed, encouraged, guided, and blessed by our teachers and what we did and who we were serving and with life. Therefore, let us prepare for this moment community. We are at the pre-kindergarten class 2020-2015. I welcome all of you to our moving up ceremony. Thank you.